Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time in your Toyota Prius. First, locate the Setup button on your display screen and press it. This will bring up the main menu. Next, you'll want to navigate to the General Settings. This is where you'll find various system adjustments. Finally, select the clock option to begin the time setting process. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Once you're in the clock menu, you'll see an option for time adjustment. Select this to manually change the hours and minutes. Use the up and down arrows on the screen to precisely set the current time. Take your time to ensure accuracy. After you've set the correct time, make sure to confirm your selection. This step is crucial to save your changes and update the clock. For ultimate convenience, your Prius also offers an auto adjust feature. By enabling this, your vehicle will automatically synchronize its clock using GPS signals. This means you won't have to manually adjust for daylight saving time or travel across time zones. It's a fantastic way to ensure your clock is always accurate without any effort on your part. Simply toggle it on and let your Prius handle the rest. Before you finish, quickly review your time zone settings to ensure they are correct for your location. Also, double-check how daylight saving time is being managed, especially if you're using manual adjustment. Once everything looks good, simply exit the menu. Your Toyota Prius clock will now display the accurate time, keeping you on schedule for all your journeys. Enjoy your perfectly set clock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.